guys, so today I'm just gonna focus more like on my eyeshadow since I'm not going anywhere, but I've been trying to like redo this look that I did before and it didn't come out as I wanted to. So yeah, that's what this video is for. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then you just like blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in with with this blue shade right here. I recommend to go in with a flat brush because these are very chalky, so they don't really pick up, as to why I set down. I put a concealer on first, I didn't set it. So for this, I'll just apply the blue color on my crease, basically on my whole lid. And you don't necessarily need to have this palette, you can have any palette, but this is the only one I have with this color. So then I'm gonna go in with this Beige Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna go into this light teal shade, like light blue and the light teal, just to like blend it out at the top. And then if you want to like deepen the actual blue color that we put down, you could just pick up a little more. And then you go again and you blend it in with the light color. Don't pick up any more, just whatever you have left on your brush. Now I'm just going to cut my crease with the same concealer I used to set my eyes. So I saw this trick on Instagram where you just like line the bottom and then just like open your lid and you know where your crease is at. So that's how I've been doing it for a while now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my crease with any light shadow that you have. You want to go back in with that dark blue shade that we used at first and then just blend it out. If you want to, you can always add a shimmer over the crease, but I'm gonna add glitter because I don't really do glitter looks and I've always wanted to try it. I'm gonna use this NYX glitter glue. This I'm just gonna take any flat brush I have. It doesn't really matter what brush. You can even use it with your finger. So now I'm gonna go in with this NYX glitter. I got it like in this little packet, so I don't know like how much it is. So just pick up a little, just place it. But since this just does dry very fast, you need to like work really fast. You know, it would be a tragedy if my glitter just fell and I have carpet, so. So you can always leave it like this. I think it does look nice, but I'm gonna go in with this white liner from NYX. I've never used it. I bought it, but never used it. That's just who I am. I buy things and I never use them. I'm always like, oh, it looks nice, and I never use them. Okay, so oh, damn, I wish I could do this on camera. So I'm just gonna take the tape out. Damn. Oof. Do you see that? That is nice. So now I'm gonna prime my face with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. I got glitter on my hand. I have a glitter in my eyelashes. It's like following me when I turn. There. Alright. Cool. Damn, I put too much. So now I'm just, oh, by the way, I used the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 310. So I'm just gonna like blend it out now. Oh shit, where's my mirror at? So I'm just gonna set my face with the Wet n Wild contouring palette with the banana shade. I wasn't gonna go anywhere today, but this eyeshadow looks too bomb for me to stay home. Okay, now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm gonna spray my highlight on my brush. So I'm just gonna blend it out a little. I'm gonna go in with this Milani lipstick in the shade Honey Rose. So this is the finished look. I applied lashes off camera as well as mascara. But yeah, this is the finished look. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye.